Here we fitted an EcoTrak Immo, which is an S5 Thatcham-approved tracking system with an immobiliser. So it's insurance approved because it is an S5 Thatcham-approved tracker, but incorporated with its own immobilisation. So how it works is that it has its own unique tag, and without that tag you cannot start the vehicle up. Also, if it gets dragged, moved, without the tag, it's going to alert the tracking company. So you've got quite a bit of protection with that. You have your own app, so you can see where the vehicle is yourself, and you could actually immobilise it remotely on the app as well. So if somebody took your tag and driven off with the vehicle, next time they stop, you could actually immobilise it, and then they won't be able to start it, even though they've got the tag present with them. So it's a really nice little system. So here we have is a 2026 Mercedes C200. It's a hybrid car. You know, they're being a Mercedes and being what it is, being brand new, you know, they are expensive. And the customer that we've done it for, his name's Liam, and we've done so much work for him over the years. I think at this rate, he's going to be expecting air miles from us. So, you know, but thank you, Liam. But anyway, this is the car. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. So I've got his keys completely keyless, as they all are these days. So at the moment, the tag's not present. So let me show you how it works without the tag. So I've got the key, so technically it should start. And it doesn't. There's nothing there at all. So let me go and get the tag, and if I introduce that to the vehicle, we should be able to start it. Now we've got the tag. This is what the tag looks like. So that's the key, and its tag's quite small. Looks like a little tile. So it's very neat. It's very doable as well. It's quite solid. So now we've got the tag. Don't do anything with it. Jump in, and it starts straight away. So it's quite responsive. So as long as you've got that with you, jump in, don't do anything with it, and it'll start up straight away. Simple as that. So this is going to combat key cloning, relay thefts, all the modern techniques that's used to actually steal these cars. It's a really good solution. And obviously it's got its own tracking system as well. That's the EcoTrak Immo, which is a Category S5 Thatcham approved tracking system with its own immobilisation, fitted to this 2026 Mercedes C200.